Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. So today I have a new sprouting video for you guys. So today this topic is about me talking about influencing companies and companies that I wanted to work with me. So as you know, in the recent videos, Proven Winners sent me something, but they weren't looking for additional influencers. Neither is Spoma, but I'm yet to edit that video. But today I have some great news to share with you guys. So today I want to go ahead and talk about that I have a company working with me now. So their company is called American Meadows. Their logo is going to pop up right here, at their Instagram right here, and their website below. So all those links are going to be down below, their Instagram and their website. So make sure to go check them out. That company goes ahead and sends plants, tools, seeds, anything you could talk about gardening. So they're like the basics, but they also sell things, which is great. If you haven't seen that video of where I said the tulips came in, that's from the company American Meadows. So I contacted them a few months ago, and they contacted me back yesterday saying that they were going to be happily great to work with me, and I was excited the whole day talking about it. And if you haven't seen those a million posts about me shouting out American Meadows, make sure to go check them out. My Instagram is also going to be down below and on the screen. So I'm really excited for them working with me. But during the talk they said that their fall plans don't ship until September. So it's a long time to plan for anything I'm interested in, and that I tell them, and they were gonna go ahead and send me something. So already on my order, I have good things coming for you guys. I'm not gonna spill the tea yet, because that's gonna be a good video for you guys. So I already have 2 things that is placed for September, and I have a few things also coming because they decided that they wanted to tell me that I could go on their website and tell them if any type of seeds that I like to get, and see if it's compatible for my area, and to see if they're gonna grow great here. And yeah, I send them 3 different types, and they're gonna see if they're great for my area. A Tempe climate, which is really hot out here. It's hot even in winter. It's not even considered winter. It's like double time summer. But yeah, so this is a short video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss none of my videos, make sure to hit that notification button. And all my recent videos will pop up on the screen, and a link in the description below. So huge shout out to American Meadows. Their website's down below. Make sure to go check them out, buy some of their stuff, because they're great quality and I really like it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.